Yesterday I spent the whole day at the camping car shop where they fixed my water leak and they fixed the DC to DC chargers. And now I have electricity coming out from the from the engine to my batteries. Today they are going to fix my fridge. This guy right here, it has lost some of its cooling power over the years, so it's less effective today than what it used to be. And so they were kind enough to schedule me immediately and have a look at this. This is the best camping car shop that I know. They are fabulous people, all of them. So it was good times. It was a lot of fun being there yesterday. I get to chat with so many people. Since I'm going to be spending the whole day inside the shop, probably waiting, I need to go to a German bakery and I'm going to buy everything in the store and eat everything and really fill myself up to the brink with good bread and calories so that I don't get hungry during the day later. Look what I just found. A amtlich Bekanntmachungen. I love the German words. They're so hard and long. It's crazy. The German language, when I hear German people speak, I get fucking scared. It's a little bit cold here in the morning. Here where we are now in northern Germany, it kind of stays cold throughout the day. It gets warmer, actually to a point where it is quite pleasant, but it doesn't get freaking hot. I have really missed the cold weather and I have missed rain. I know that a lot of people who live up here, they hate this weather. They think this is depressing. I couldn't disagree more. I love it. So much cars and traffic. They don't have any baguettes here, just a bunch of weird sandwiches. And all the pastries here, they are covered with sugar. You know what this is? It's a Butterkuchenplatte. It's so weird. There's so much weird stuff here. It's incredible.
Mm-hmm. Want to try some really German food, you have to buy the Berliner.
What is a Berliner?
It's kind of sweet thing with some jelly inside.
Yeah?
And it's really tasty.
Yeah, can you show me which one you're talking about?
Yeah, this one.
Okay, I'm having that one, thank you. Cannot say no to this opportunity. Oh gosh, I'm never going to go into a German bakery again. All the stuff they have in there is just weird crap. A French bakery is like 10 times better. And a Swedish bakery is like 100 times better. I have a feeling we might get it back into Sweden soon. I have a feeling. I filmed myself eating all this stuff, but I wasn't filming because this camera, DJI Pocket 2, is the worst camera they ever made on this planet. It has a life on its own. And it's not the first time I've been filming a lot of stuff and then I realized it wasn't filming. Anyways, I ate basically everything already. There was this one weird sandwich and then there was another weird sandwich. And then I had this special pastry that was recommended to us by this woman on the street. I thought I was gonna find like chocolate or something inside. Something interesting, but all they had inside of it was jelly. So once I had eaten my way through, I get this sugar explosion in my mouth. That's it. All their pastries is really just bread with sugar on top or occasionally like this one, sugar inside. Had this been France, the croissant would like be half the size of this one at best. These, they are humongous. Saving this one for later. I'm getting fucking full now. We gotta go. Bonjour. Good morning. Guten Morgen. That was the right German word, no? Yeah. So I'm back and the cat is back.
The cat is back.
He's going to make a lot of noise today. Are you prepared for that? Yeah. I even left the yellow tag on the keys since yesterday.
Great, thank you.
Hey. So, you know, me and my cat will be hanging out in the corner over here. Yeah. If we're not in here, well, we're somewhere on the property.
Yeah, I have your number.
Yeah.
And is the car there? Okay.
Yeah, same old spot. All yours.
See you later.
See ya, thank you. Barsky, kom. Hoppa upp. Duktig. You don't like cats? I can take him away from... You're allergic? Okay. Like they must in. He's more well behaved than a dog, you know. He's a good cat. Vi sätter oss här och leka lite, Barsky. Oj, var är bilen? Ta bilen, Maddie. This is Barsky's favorite play corner. Oj. Like a little baby. This is a little baby, right? What time is it? We need to be back here soon, Barsky. I have some business to deal with. I think there's time for us to go on a little walk, Barsky. Yeah, let's go. Want to step over? Okay, not the problem. Oh yeah, I do. Oh yeah, han den lilla bus. Let's go to your favorite hangout. It's up this way. Working hard?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, my life is kind of hard too.
I don't think so.
I have to manage this cat.
That's hard. I hope he don't think it's real grass.
Oh no, you mean like pee on it and stuff? No, he doesn't.
Do you have a cat toilet in the car?
Yeah.
And he only uses this one?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. Kom här. Nej men vad fan. Jävla mäck. Förstör ju allting. Barsky, hur förstörde du den här nu då?
Just leave it there.
Okay.
We don't have cats very often. Which
No. Trying to make a cat video, but it's not the easiest because he's all over the place, you know. Where is the cat going? Barsky, come on. Yeah, this is what I mean by my life is hard. I have to...
I'm so sorry for you. How old are you now?
About 5 years, I think.
I have a cat too.
You only have one?
One, yes.
Okay, I thought you had several.
No. One is hard enough.
Kom så går vi. Kom här, Barsky. Barsky, vad fan, kom här med honom. Han är en bus. Gå dit med honom, bus. Gosh, we wanted to go and look at some motorhomes, right, Barsky? Enough with these tents. I want to buy walls like this that I can put under my awning so that I can build an outdoor tent outside of my car. I thought the cat had disappeared. He found a way out of here. Look, I didn't even know about this way. Can you find the quickest way to get to all the motorhomes? Vi går härifrån. Barsky, you show the way, okay? Let's go to all the motorhomes. Jag går inte med honom. Kom så går vi till bilarna. I have to pull my cat because he's walking so slow. Barsky, rör på dig. Kom hit med dig nu. Sluta tjafsa med mig. Kom hit med dig nu. Ska jag behöva bära dig?
Good morning.
Good morning. Show us the way, Barsky. Go and find your favorite motorhome. Do you have any free candy here for me to munch on? No free candy?
No, nothing.
Okay. Gosh, this one is big. I didn't know Caravan built camper vans. I thought they only built trailers. Too many openings in the roof. 142,000 bloody euros for this car. And obviously this car was built to go just from one campground to the next because you can't even put any solars on top. This car, as expensive as it is, wasn't built for any off-grid living. This was built for a dumb, rich, old guy so that he can plug in his television here. I don't like this type of motorhomes. They are so big and bulky. Look at this dashboard. Wow, that is pretty slick. Lots of cabins running alongside the ceiling. That's nice. It's fucking sick. I could definitely be living here, I think. There is a fan in the ceiling. Those fans are not useful. They are really not very useful. You never use them. They don't make much of a difference. And if you're in the bloody desert in the summer, then, you know, don't go into a desert in the summer. Just don't. I believe this opens. It opens this way. You can also open it the other way. See that? That is pretty cool. Barsky, kom. Men vad fan? Barsky, vad fan har du tragglat in den här jävla kabeln här också? Oh, nomad trailer. Nice. Nice. And this was only 40,000 euros. Ja, tar ju sån jävla tid på det hela tiden. That is pretty slick. Exquisite VIP. Not so bad, 54,000 euros. Okay, so you have a standard living room back here. Skylight. An extra seating area over here. Kitchen. This is pretty cool. I have a big fucking bed here. And then we can walk around. Meh. It's pretty tight in here. Tycker du om det att vara här, Barsky? It's probably the longest trailer I have ever seen in my whole life. Almost 12 meters long. 130,000 euros. That's a lot for a trailer. Oh my God, it's like a fucking mansion inside of here. Standard seating area, that's fine, you know, if you're a fucking family or something. And they have a really good kitchen area here, I love it. It mixes both electric and gas, so that's great too. Barsky, he likes this kitchen too, don't you? They have a big bed here. On the other side of the bed here, you have more cabinets and storage. Okay, more seating and more beds. My God, this looks like an old dog. How many years old?
17.
Looks like he's about to die in a minute now. Hey. Titta, vilken liten söt. Har du hittat en kompis? See my cat? He's trying to pick a fight with the other dog. This happens to small and medium-sized dogs all the time. Thank you. Danke schön. Yeah, I wish I could say the same about your dog. What? That is a weird car. Dun, dun, dun. Let's go inside here. Somehow I just feel right at home inside a small space like this. I don't like the fact that this table folds. I don't like the fact that it's not an automatic. Kind of boring space in the back here. I do not know what this means. Kundenfachgeschuk! Exclamation point, exclamation point. Keramikwachten zitten gelegd, niks beruchten. German. Oh, a Hobby Vantana. You want to know something funny? On my car, which is a couple of years old now, 4 or 5 years old, they used to put the fridge up here, which is super convenient for me. When I cook, I can reach for my food really fast and easy. But the compressor to that fridge is sitting beneath the floor, and they are moving the air from the compressor's position in the floor up to this box over here through piping in the wall and stuff. And they've had so much problems with these fridges. I mean, I had to take my car in many times. It's even in now as we speak because of the fridge. So what they did, they stopped these fridges up here altogether, and they put a fridge down here instead. So it's just one unit that they can easily take out and replace completely if necessary. Barsky, vad fan ska du? Men vad gör du? Backa med dig. Han ska in överallt. In my car, I have lots of storage here. which is super practical, of course. But in the newer models, they have taken this storage out and put a skylight here instead. Also, what I noticed in the newer models, they have gone back to these fixed doors. This opens up right in the middle of the hallway. I'm gonna have to fiddle with this stupid door all the time, and it's only going to be in my way. I just have to point something out. You see the sign over here? I believe this means entrance only for people that works here, right?
Yes, right.
Why do you have to put everything with an exclamation point at the end?
I don't know.
You make it sound so hard. Yeah, like you must not walk here.
Yes, that's very.
Damn you if you walk here, Ja, Barsky, kom. Barsky, varför ska du hela... Kom hit med dig. Barsky? Do you want to go back to the other building? My cat is, he's such a good boy. I can tell him to just sit and wait while I work on my computer, and then we take small breaks. We go out for walks when we need to stretch our legs a little bit. Kan vi promenera lite? I relocated to a city called Tönning. It's a coastal city, a really beautiful place. And this is a park, a really beautiful park. I am parked right over there in a dead end. We have a water fountain over here. My cat loves it here. He likes to chase all the birds. Look at that guy, how cute he is. Ja du, den liten bus. En sån liten bus. I wanted to update you on what has been going on with my car. Huh? You say what now?
Ist das deine Katze?
I think you're asking me if this is my cat. Yes.
Sie?
Ja.
Sie geht mit dir spazieren.
Absolutely. Right. I have some lovely neighbors over here. Uh-huh.
Mütterchen. Ja. Ich weiß nicht, wo du hingehörst.
My cat, he speaks all the languages. I'll catch you around.
Ciao.
Ciao. So nice, so nice. See, now we're sort of one step closer to civilization. Full civilization doesn't happen until you reach Scandinavia, but here in Germany, I would not expect to have angry neighbors be knocking on my door or police be troubling me too often, etc. So it's really nice to be here. The news. Number one, the French government took back the tax claim, so no more double taxes. I'm very happy about that. The engine is now charging my batteries properly when it's running. Down here is a couple of batteries. If we dig in here, in this little black box down here, there's a fuse. A little small thing that was blown out. They just put in a new and now it's working again. The water leak was also something very, very simple to fix. My water tank is right here, and there's a small access point here. This piece right here was loose, and it was missing a so-called O-ring to keep it tight. So from here is where water was leaking, because when this tank is full of water and I drive, the water inside goes all over the tank, and it was going to come up through this end and then go down onto the floor. So they tightened this, they put in an O-ring, and now everything is fixed. And that's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.